Let's explore how we can turn your grocery store trips into a green adventure. With a bit of creativity and patience, you can grow amazing houseplants from grocery stores and supermarket products. And by houseplants, we mean certain herbs, flowers, and edibles too that can easily thrive in your home. Imagine turning the pit of your brunch's avocado toast into a green centerpiece. After cleaning the pit, use toothpicks to suspend it over a water-filled glass. Keep it by a sunny kitchen window and stay patient. You'll soon get a new plant. Pineapples not only make a tasty tropical treat, but can also be transformed into a unique houseplant. Plant the crown in a pot of soil after it has rooted in water for an eye-catching addition. Don't toss those lemon seeds. Lemon trees make sunny and citrus-scented indoor companions. Plant the seeds in potting soil and find a sunny ledge. With proper care, you'll enjoy both the fruits and the scent. You can easily grow wheatgrass indoors using grocery store-bought whole wheat berries. Wheatgrass doesn't require deep soil to grow, so a shallow tray works well. If you bought a bunch of rosemary from a grocery store, you can multiply and enjoy a bunch of it without another trip. Root a sprig in water and then transfer it to a pot with well-draining soil. Growing lavender from the store-bought cutting is easy and rewarding. Just prepare a container of well-draining soil and plant the store-bought cuttings in it. A living first aid kit, aloe vera is also an easy care houseplant. If you've purchased an aloe vera plant, multiply it by propagating its offsets. Give a second life to a romantic bouquet by propagating rose cuttings. Trim the stem, dip it in rooting hormone, and place it in a pot with soil. You can keep festive vibes in your home by multiplying poinsettia cuttings from the plant that is already gracing your tabletop. Decorate your home with the striking blooms of amaryllis by planting bulbs available at many grocery stores. They're especially popular during the holiday season and can be easily grown indoors for a striking display. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-related content. Until next time, happy planting!